Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion and Salesforce with Zapier. This integration allows you to automatically sync your Salesforce data with Notion, creating a seamless workflow between your CRM and workspace management tools. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has access to both Salesforce and Notion, as you'll need to connect both platforms during this process. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Look for the Zap button and click on it. This will initiate the creation of your automation workflow. Zapier works by connecting a trigger app to an action app. So the first thing we need to set up is our trigger, which in this case will be Salesforce. Click on the trigger button to begin configuring your automation starting point. In the search field that appears, type in Salesforce and select it from the drop-down menu. This tells Zapier that your automation will start whenever something happens in Salesforce. Now you'll need to choose a trigger event from the Salesforce options presented. Select an event like Updated Record. This means your automation will fire whenever a record is updated in Salesforce. Once you've selected your trigger event, click Continue. Zapier will now prompt you to sign in to your Salesforce account to establish the connection. Enter your Salesforce credentials when asked. This authorization step is necessary so Zapier can access your Salesforce data and monitor for changes. Once connected, you'll need to select the specific Salesforce object you want to monitor. This could be something like opportunity or account, depending on what data you want to sync to Notion. After making your selection, click Continue and then test the trigger to ensure Zapier can successfully pull data from Salesforce. This test will retrieve a sample record, so give it a moment to load. Now that your trigger is configured, it's time to set up the action. Click on the Action button, then search for and select Notion from the available apps. Notion will be the destination where your Salesforce data gets sent. From the drop-down menu, choose an action event such as Create Page. This determines what happens in Notion when your trigger fires. In this case, a new page will be created each time a Salesforce record is updated. Just as you did with Salesforce, you'll need to sign in to your Notion account to connect it to Zapier. Enter your Notion credentials when prompted to authorize the connection. Now comes the important part, configuring the action details. First, select a parent page or database in Notion where you want the new pages to be created. This gives structure to your automated data. Next, you'll map Salesforce fields to Notion properties. For example, you might map the opportunity name field from Salesforce to the page title property in Notion. Click into each field to add dynamic data pulled from your Salesforce trigger. This mapping ensures that the right information flows from Salesforce into the correct spots in Notion. After you've configured all your mappings, click Continue. Then click Test Action to verify that everything is working correctly. Zapier will attempt to create a page or item in Notion using your sample data. Check your Notion workspace to confirm the page was created successfully. Finally, if the test was successful, click Publish Zap to activate your integration. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever a Salesforce record is updated. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Notion and Salesforce using Zapier, creating an automated workflow that keeps your tools in sync. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.